to transfer money from PaySafe to Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your PaySafe account to your Apple Pay. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just search for PaySafe and install the application in your smartphone. And once you are done installing the application, just sign in to your PaySafe account and create your account. If you don't have one, just click on register now and create your account. And if you already have an account, just click on I already have an account and just log into your account accordingly. So transferring your money from your PaySafe card to your Apple Pay card directly is not possible, but you can use your PaySafe card to top up through an intermediary e-wallet like your Skrill or Revolut. If you're using Skrill, you need to deposit fund to your Skrill account using your PaySafe card voucher, and you can link your e-wallet to your Apple card and transfer the balance while following the on-screen instructions. And if you're using your Revolut account, you need to transfer your money from your Revolut account using your PaySafe card. Once the funds are received, you can connect your Revolut card to your Apple Pay and enjoy the contactless payment. And once it is done, look for the retailers who allow purchasing Apple gift card with PaySafe card voucher. Use the Apple gift card to add fund to your Apple wallet, which can then be used for Apple Pay transactions. Utilize third-party services and explore online services that facilitate PaySafe card to Apple Pay transfer. Be cautious and thoroughly research the platform reputation and fees before engaging in any transaction. And this way you will be able to transfer your money from your PaySafe card to your Apple Pay successfully. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.